Hey guys, welcome back. So got a quick tutorial for y'all today on this look right here. Using this palette, this is the Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams palette. I think this palette is so fun. Lots of different possibilities of what you could do with this palette, but I went with kind of a fall, warm, kind of smudgy, messy sort of an eye look and makeup look with it. Yeah, I use it even on my cheeks. Got kind of a fun fall-y sort of a lip. So yeah, this is the look I'm gonna be doing, just showing a little quick tutorial for you guys. So let's get to it. Okay, so I've already applied some eyeshadow primer and set that. So I'm gonna start off with some of She's Lit on, this is an Alter Ego, like blending brush. I really like this brush. And just going to apply this and build this up in my crease and transition area. So I'm kind of keeping it right here and then lightening the pressure on my brush to blend it up higher. Okay, now I'm going to take another crease brush. This is a Profusion brush and get some of Mocktail on that. And apply this kind of in the same area, but also in the outer corner. So kind of starting it in the outer corner and then blending it into my crease. I'm not taking it quite as high. I'm actually going to go ahead and put this all across my lid. I just love this color. So pretty. So I'm just going to bring it across. I'm going to do a little bit of softening and blending. Just want to soften out the top of that very top shade a little bit more. Just kind of bring it up a little bit and soften that. I just want like a blown out smoky sort of a look, so I'm going to get some of Last Call on a Chique eyeshadow brush. Just kind of build that up and apply this all over my lids. Okay, and then I'm going to get some of BYOB on kind of a pointy pencil brush. This is a Bdellium Tools 716 brush. Tap off my brush. I'm just going to kind of smudge some of this in my outer corner, kind of along my lash line. I just want a little bit of like smoky smudginess along my lash line, but you can see I'm kind of like angling it a little bit. I like that. I just kind of want it smoky and smudgy and like not perfect, a little bit messy. So I'm gonna leave that like that. So I'm gonna apply some mascara on my upper lashes, the It Cosmetics Superhero and Too Faced Better Than Sex. So I'm gonna apply that and I'll be right back. Okay, I also applied some concealer, powder, and bronzer. So for my lower lash line, I think I'm gonna start with some of She's Lit on an EB21 brush from Sedona Lace. Tap off my brush, line this along my lower lash line. Okay, and then I think I'm also gonna go ahead and still do kind of smoky on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna get some of BYOB on that same brush and apply that just in the outer part, not bringing that very far over. I just wiped off my brush and I'm kind of blending. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So to finish off the rest of the makeup look for blush, I actually used one of the shadows. I used She's Lit, worked great as a blush. For highlighter, I used Dirty Martini. A little bit dark for my skin tone, but I think it still works. So that's what I have on as blush and highlight. For lips, I have one of these Wet n Wild lipsticks. I have the hardest time remembering the name of these lipsticks, like what they're actually called. So I don't know, but I will list it and link it down below for you. It looks like this, and I do know that the color name is Extra Cinnamon something. Extra Cinnamon Please. That's what it's called. Really fun, kind of rusty, orangey sort of color. So that's what I got on my lips. Here are some quick swatches of the palette. Really beautiful. These two right here are kind of, and even the gold, they're more kind of like topper shades. So swatches, they don't show up a lot, but on the eyes, they're really pretty. You can use them with a setting spray and they're really pretty. So I do really enjoy those shadows. They just don't show their full potential in a swatch. So I wanted to note that, but all very, very beautiful. Okay, so that wraps up this video. So I hope that you really enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful for you. Please do a thumbs up if it was. Let me know down below what you think about this palette, or what kind of fall makeup looks are you enjoying doing. I would love to know that. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video.